Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to the Aloe store to try on the chestnut color. Now this is probably an unpopular decision, but because the espresso line has released, I no longer think that the chestnut color is as enticing. Now, when I first saw this chestnut color, I was really intrigued and I really liked it on, but maybe it's the time of the year, or maybe it's that I just really like the chestnut a little bit better, or maybe it's the pieces that I've tried on, but that is where I currently am. Now, I tried on the seamless ribbed set as well as some airlift pieces and a cover up, so let's get into it. Now, first up, I have the airlift leggings along with the Airlift Line Up Bra. Now, I cannot say enough good things about the Airlift Line Up Bra. I think it just fits so perfectly, and honestly, it feels like kind of like a zero gravity bra, so I wish they would rename it. Now, I do love the airlift leggings, so you really can't go wrong in any color that you try them. I will say I do not like the seamless ribbed favorite bra. I wanted to like it so badly, and I really like the look of it, but I just can't get behind the feel. Now, of course, I had to try on this jacket with all of my combinations just so I could get, the full versatility out of it and show you how it can really pair with anything, kind of make it a little bit more conservative, even if you're wearing just a bra and the leggings or the shorts. Now, I also tried on the ribbed seamless shorts, and I hated them equally as much, probably a little bit more. They're just not my style, but in any case, I did really like the airlift pieces as well as the jacket, and if I didn't already have my eye on espresso, I would have taken them home. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.